waxing Xhosa grammar. Over there, demonstratives, third position. So that and those in the third position have this typical ah or la, also a falling long vowel, as we had with a lo. So in doda, the man becomes la ndoda, that man over there. Amadoda, the men become la madoda, those men way over there. Umfazi, the woman, la mfazi, that woman over there. Umti, the tree becomes lamti, the tree. The same with the plural umiti would become lamiti. We have abantu for people and ababantu, those people over there. Wenzani lam doda, what's that man over there doing? Uyapi lam fazi, where's that woman over there going? Uyawazi la madoda, do you know those men over there? Hamba uyobuza kwa baba ntwana, go and ask those children over there. Uyayibona la miti, do you see those trees over there? Izinto becomes ezazinto, those things. Ibali, the story. Elabali, that story. Iskolo, the school. Esaskolo, that school. Usana, the baby. And then olwasana, because this usana is lu in the concord for it is. Ubomi, the life. Obabomi, that life. Ukucha, the food, and okwa kucha, that food. Ndifuna ukutenga ezazindlu, I want to buy those houses. Lihle ela kaya, it is beautiful, that home. Sikulu esaskolo, it is big, that school. Uyalikumbula ela bali, do you remember that story? Do you remember it, that story? Ndiyalukumbula olwa lwandle, I remember that beach or that sea. Aba bafazi badanisa kakuhle, those women over there, they dance well.